Hi, welcome back to my channel Wonderworks. I got this Grenaro J11 microphone. So I'll give a quick review on this. So this is how it looks like, and it has one receiver and one microphone. This is the receiver. This is the receiver. And this is the microphone. There is a small indicator also in here. So right now you are hearing through my phone microphone. You will be hearing a lot of noise. So this comes with 20 meters of distance when you use this, right? And doesn't require any applications, directly plug and play. USB type C it is. Before starting, one quick thing I'll tell you is like I have 25 watts on Samsung charger, through which that is not charging actually. Now this blue light is coming, you can see. Let me take this charger, 25 watts. So if I connect here, you see nothing. The blue light is still coming, right? So if I connect it to normal USB of my laptop, which I connected to laptop, you can see it's coming red light. You can see the blinking red light. So now if I remove this, again the 25 watts charger, no? It's not working. It's a regular Samsung charger, it is this one. So you need to note that if you have only the fast charger, this might not charge, this device might not charge. So let me quickly show you the audio quality, how it is. So far you might be hearing this video, you might be aware of the noise around this. So I'll quickly connect this. I just have to plug this thing type C into my phone port and turn this device on. So let me quickly do that. Okay, let me connect it to this USB audio. I'll first plug this into my USB. Okay. This green color becomes stable. So live drop test, it happened and it has survived. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. Let me plug this. Okay, so right now this is the audio from this device, and if I move around also, if I come back also, there should not be any kind of the change. The audio should be clear up to 20 meters. I'm not going to test that because there are already many videos of that. So I did test it in the other room, for quite a sum of distance. It's good. One of my friend also has this device, but he has the dual mic one. For me it's not needed, so I got this one. Yeah, so that's a not so short review, but yeah, I hope this gave you some kind of idea how this mic sound. So let me quickly show you the noise cancellation option as well. So right now you can see this green light, right? So now if I press once, now it's in level 1 noise cancellation. You might see a slight difference in the fan noise or some kind of noise around, right? So if I press 2 times it will blink, so which means it will go to level 2 noise cancellation. Slightly it will suppress some noise, but also the voice, right, your voice might change slightly, the output of your voice. Again if I press, it will go to level 3 noise cancellation. 3 times it was blinking, right? So thing to note is like every time you switch off device and switch on device now, it will go back to normal, which is without noise cancellation mode. So you need to enable it every time you connect it. So now it's a constant, no noise cancellation regularly. If you want some ambient noise, something around, right, maybe road or some people around, you want it to hear, right? So that time you can use this one. Okay, I hope you liked my video. So this I got for about 1200 something. I don't know if I said that in the video. So yeah, it's Android and iOS compatible, I believe. Type C, right? It should be compatible. So it's a worth a deal. Yeah. If you like this short review, do hit a thumbs up. Yeah. Alright, bye.